Yo, what's the word, man? You already know who it is. It's your boy Tay Envy, and I am back with another video. So look, right, as y'all know, I just upgraded my phone from the 12 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro. 256 gig. Wasn't doing all that extra storage. But it took me a long time to get this phone. It took me at least 2 weeks to get this phone. I went streaming in Ohio, Cedar Point. The first ride we got on, y'all, lost my phone. Now, my other phone was a 11. It was a 11, but it was my streaming phone. And it took me so long to get the 17 Pro only because when I lost my phone on the roller coaster, the Riggaroo. If anybody went to Cedar Point and y'all rode the Riggaroo, y'all know what's going on, right? Phone fall out of my pocket. I'm drunk at the time, so I don't know that, you get what I'm saying, my phone failed or fell out my pocket or whatever. Now, my ID was in the back of the phone, of the case, right? So, no phone, no ID, and we had to stay there till what? Till closing. So that's like 12 o'clock midnight. We got there at 11 o'clock in the morning, right? So we stayed there all night. Still couldn't get the phone because they didn't find it. So we drove all the way back. I ended up calling like a week later. They said that they found the phone, but the phone was broken, shattered, glass was missing. They said the ID that was in the back of the phone snapped in half, right? So, boom, we got this, right? And when I got this, I got the iPhone 17. This was $1,100. This iPhone 17 Pro was $1,100, right? So along with that, I also got the iPhone 17 Pro Tech Woven case. I got this case, right? This was about $60. So if you want the new iPhone 17 Pro cases, this is $60, right? The only thing I did not get was a screen protector, which brings us to why we are making this video. I want to give a big shout out to Lexi over at UltraGlass. They reached out and they sent your boy a screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro. UltraGlass is the #1 brand in the US for tempered glass screen protectors. And they do screen protectors for the 17 Pro, 16, whatever iPhone you got, they have a screen protector for you. Now, what I got to tell y'all is I've already done the unboxing on this screen protector. Only thing is the audio wasn't recording. So, I'm going to be doing a voiceover of the unboxing. This was the second screen protector that they sent, right? I already got the screen protector on here. This is the second one. They sent me a second screen protector. Shout out to UltraGlass, right? So since they sent me a second screen protector in the mail, what I want to do is I want to do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving this away to one special person. One special person. I'm going to need y'all to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, share this post, and also comment what color iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max you have in the comments. I'm going to pick one special person and I'm going to be sending this out. I appreciate y'all. Let's get into this unboxing.